Surface defects, visible on the weld surface. Undercut, groove at weld edges due to high speed or heat. Overlap. Weld metal extends beyond the joint without fusion. Spatter, small molten metal droplets scattered around the weld. Surface cracks, longitudinal or transverse cracks on the weld. Internal defects, detected by ultrasonic or radiographic testing. Porosity, gas bubbles trapped in the weld metal. Slag inclusion, non-metallic slag trapped inside the weld. Lack of fusion, weld metal does not fuse with base metal. Lack of penetration, weld does not reach full joint thickness. Metallurgical defects, related to material properties. Hot cracks, solidification cracks, occur at high temperatures during cooling. Cold cracks, hydrogen cracks, develop due to hydrogen entrapment and cooling stress. Lamellar tearing, step-like cracks parallel to the plate due to high stress. Causes of weld defects, improper welding parameters. Heat, speed, electrode angle, contaminated base metal or electrode moisture, excessive or insufficient heat input, poor joint design or welding technique. Prevention of weld defects. Use correct welding parameters, current, voltage, and speed. Proper preheating and cooling methods. Clean base metal and electrodes before welding. Ensure proper joint preparation and electrode positioning. Use suitable materials and welding techniques.